From the state capitol in Richmond, I'm Megan Pauley. Senator Chap Peterson has introduced legislation this year requiring universities take public comments before voting to raise tuition. He says it's intended to give students an opportunity to voice their concerns.
They're paying for their own tuition. They ought to know. And if they're going to have to come out of pocket for an extra $1,000 or $2,000, they ought to be part of that conversation. It's their money.
Students like Nicholas De Silva, a political science student at Virginia Commonwealth University. He's tried to make his voice heard at recent Board of Supervisors meetings, but he says,
it's been a pretty consistent practice where I've not been able to get a word in, nor has really any other student.
He hopes this legislation will help change that and help students learn more about the process. Shiver Hammonds is a graduate student at Old Dominion University.
It would do the students a lot of good to understand why is the tuition being raised, and how is it going to benefit us as students when we're already paying out of pocket or like trying to get money from everywhere, loan sharks.
Peterson's bill passed out of the Senate unanimously earlier this week and now heads to the House for approval. For Assembly 19, I'm Megan Pauley.
Broadcast of Assembly 19 is brought to you by the Virginia Education Association. An investment in Virginia teachers today will bring dividends tomorrow.